Hi everyone, we are Shaurya Patel and Dexter Fernandes from Uneven Vadodara. We would be discussing our project Kirti Residence, which is across a plot area of 31,300 square feet, located right here in the Vasna locality of Vadodara. Kirti Residence, located in Vadodara, follows a modern design approach and is all about the interesting composition of volumes. The external dynamics of the project follows a solid void concept and the facade constructed using teakwood stone, concrete and glass. The aim was to bring in plenty of sunlight and also create a well-ventilated space with a double height ceiling inside. A perfect blend of careful planning and landscape symbolizes a warm home. Our clients wanted a simple home that should be minimal in architecture as well as interior design. Through multiple meetings, we were able to understand their requirements and tastes better. This in turn helped us to design a fitting space for the family. A joint family of two brothers wanted that the house be simple, subtle and basic so that the entire family would be able to relate to the spaces and blend in comfortably. The 31,300 square feet plot is located in one of the busy areas of the city. The challenging part was to offer a design that cuts the noise of the streets, yet deliver a practical layout. We chose to build on the southern part of the site, a built mass of about 10,600 square feet. Straight lines and intersecting masses form the fundamentals of the architectural design through a modernist design approach. The concept of the layout was to give a barrier-free circulation, whereas the elevational design was targeted to give maximum openings to have connections with the outside. Through the orientation of the house, we made sure of utilizing the natural light and cross ventilation. The exterior cladding is done in teakwood stone in order to give a strikingly visible color, yet keeping it earthy. The bold language of the house is reflected through the use of glass and the fins done in mild steel. The warm interiors reflect the client's simple lifestyle. Walls washed in white and contrasting ceilings in wood add a vivid character to the interior spaces. Catering to all age groups of the family, each one's room is done as per their taste, whereas the common areas follow the same language with minimally articulated elements. The furniture is designed in a way to match the overall concept. As you enter inside the house, the foyer is a rich mix of material, exposed brickwork with an innovative pattern, a beautiful Sabyasachi wallpaper, and the ceiling done in teakwood with intricate details. The common areas are kept as soothing as it could be. The exposed brick wall forms the only bold feature against all the subtle elements around it. The living, dining and kitchen observe an open plan for an unhindered view. The double height dining area reflects the vastness of the internal volumes. The ground floor also houses a guest bedroom and a master bedroom with attached toilets. Escalating onto the first floor, the family area divides the two master bedrooms with attached toilets and walk-in closets. The material palette is kept basic. Wood, a fox concrete wall, and wooden floor gives warmth to the bedrooms. The huge openings are also observed here for ample natural light. Since we wanted the structure to be sleek, crisp, and minimal, the structure design was most challenging. The overall design speaks volumes of minimalism and elegance through a thoughtful design process. So talking about this designing style of the entire residence, the common areas have a very interesting fusion of two very important styles. One is being contemporary and second, a touch of Indian. So that's what we call a fusion here. Some places we have real wood carvings, we've got wallpapers from Nilaya, we've got very subtle white polishes even in the ceilings. So all of this woven together forms a very interesting, unique, yet very homely feel. So now coming to the bedrooms, the ground floor has the guest room, which basically is done in real wood planks, which have been toned differently. We've given a slight tinge of blue here to lift up the spirits of the people here. A very arty and non-chaotic room, but very easy to maintain at the same time. The ground floor also has the parents' bedroom. The parents' bedroom on the ground floor is more sophisticatedly designed. It's more mature, a rich walnut polish teamed with tiny tinge of brass here and there. The two master bedrooms upstairs somewhere have this common element merging into the individual design of each bedroom. So to conclude, the individual private spaces have their own strong character, yet blend well with the common spaces of the home, as well as the beautiful gardens all around. In case you have any design queries, post them on the comment section below. We would be happy to respond.